Hey everyone, just wanted to walk you through a planner that I put together to help you keep track of your assignments from all of your classes during the week. It's a super simple Google Doc with a table, and I certainly hope that it's helpful for you. So I posted it in Google Classroom as a new material titled Online Learning Weekly Planner. And the way you want to open this is to click on the material, and then you'll notice that there is a Google Doc attached, and it says Online Learning Weekly Planner Template. So go ahead and open that up, and it's going to open it up in that preview setting here instead of Google Docs, which is normal. Hopefully by now we're starting to get used to this, but if not, what you want to do instead of just tapping and getting frustrated is hit that box with the arrow in the upper right hand corner. When you do that, it will open up in Google Docs. Now, because this is a material only and it's not an assignment, it's not going to let you type into this particular document. So what you want to do is click the three dots in the upper right-hand corner. And when the menu pops up, look down towards the bottom and you'll see an option for share and export. You want to tap on that and you want to hit make a copy. Now what this does is it takes the locked template and it now makes it your own Google Doc that you can type in. So my recommendation is that you do this each week. The beginning of every week, get the template, make a copy, and then fill it in. And then here's how you fill it in. So now that you have your own copy, make sure you hit the blue pen at the bottom right hand side of the screen. And now you can actually go in and edit. So you can click and you can change the dates of the week. If you want to do that, you can insert the classes. So I already have your government class put in, but now we need to change it. Let's say you have biology. And maybe you have geometry. So we're going to go ahead and type your classes in. And now what you can do is as you get assignments at the beginning of the week or through the week, you can now add those into this and use it like a checklist to make sure that you're getting everything done and keeping track of your assignments. I get it. It's very easy to get lost in the emails and the notifications. So let's simplify that at the beginning of the week and create a nice organized copy of the actual assignments that are given to you. So for example, for government, for this week, the 20th through the 24th, under assignment 1, which is Monday's assignment, you needed to watch the Ed puzzle videos and complete the Google Slides. So all you got to do is type enough information to know what you're going to do. My recommendation would be type the exact title of the assignment as it appears in Google Classroom. So let's go to our second assignment for the week, which is to play the Build Your Stacks game. So we're going to play the Build Your Stacks investment game. And then the other thing that you need to do this week, which we started last week and will continue through next week, is continue working on EverFive. So there's our three assignments for the week. And all you have to do is at the upper left-hand corner, hit the check mark to save it. And now you have it. And you can go back to this and you can add and edit this as you get assignments. And in one glance, you now have the assignments for all of your classes for the week. And you can go through and maybe you highlight them as you complete them, or you put the word done in the box as you do them and keep track of things. So I hope this helps you to stay organized. And if there's anything else I can do, let me know.